Who's tried the blazing hot wings at Buffalo Wild Wings? They're nothing compared to that. I tap out. I can't. Go away.
What do you think was spicy with that chip?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today's one of my random uploads, and today I'm here with my cousin.
You guys know me from the other video, the drive-through swap prank.
For today's video, it was actually a challenge from one of my good friends, Daniel. Go check his channel out. It will be in the description box below. He actually challenged me to do the SAMYANG challenge. I think that's what that means. With some Blazin Buffalo Wings. So if you don't know, Buffalo Wild Wings. This is the hottest wings that they have. Let's get to the challenge and let's hope we don't die. Before we even start the challenge, I just wanted to say something really quick. I will be doing a giveaway, not a crazy giveaway, but actually a giveaway to go ahead and try this out. I'm going to be giving 2 away, so that means there's 2 chances of 2 winners. So if you want to enter to the giveaway, all you got to do is in the comment section below, put enter me, and that's it. Easy giveaway, easy win for 2 people. Whoever's down, let me know. There?
Let's go.
Kind of scary.
Not really ready, but
I mean, the reason I'm scared is I don't know if you guys have seen. I've done the PAQUI 1-chip challenge already. You guys haven't seen that video? It's in the description box as well. She doesn't like chili, so.
I mean, I'll have like jalapenos, tapatio, valentina, but I don't think this compares to that. So.
All right.
Yellow peppers.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
What?
I'm already dying. Has like a good taste to it, but I mean it's super spicy.
Okay.
My eyes are getting watering. Can you tell?
Okay. Okay.
Don't try this. I'm legit crying now. My eyes like super watery.
I'm gonna try to go without that. I'm gonna try to finish this without drinking anything.
Who's the champ? I'm gonna call it a day.
Oh. At least the noodles.
Whew.
It has a good flavor.
That's what I said. It's just super spicy. Jesse's a champ. And then I was sick, so my regular was just not helping.
What?
Oh, hell no. Dude, I'm crying. That is horrible.
What's the hottest thing you guys tried? I'm curious. Let me know.
And at this point, nothing is helping. So if you guys know anything that actually helps with this, let us know also. Chicken flavored ramen. Yeah. Guys, I'm legit crying.
Alright. So Head this way. On the back over here, it shows us like the levels. I think that's the viscosity levels. Doesn't sound too bad, but it does hurt. Last year's, I think it says it was 4,404. This year's, the red bag, 8,808.
We're like 800,000.
If you guys know about that stuff. But
remind me next time when my husband tries to get me into this, for me to say no. It took me like 10 seconds to press. Drink the milk. Drink the milk. I swear, it doesn't taste bad. Like, it has a good flavor. It's just super spicy. If you want to try it, just to try it, just add a little bit of the sauce. Just like always trying to be like an overachiever. You guys hear Marlon in the background?
my little husky keeps barking. She can see us through the window. Sorry if you guys could hear that. My nose.
She's actually supporting us. That's why she's barking. She was here for moral support.
She's saying, keep going, keep going, keep going.
And then she's saying, I knew Selena would.
She actually quit in the beginning. Still pretty full.
And then round 2, you'll finish mine.
No joke, man. Okay. Time for the week.
Good luck. I'll be taking a bite.
Take one. We gotta have this too.
Just a little bit more ice cream before I do this.
You guys are champs.
Well, here goes nothing.
Seeing the ice cream, the milk, the water, it's making me suffer.
So,
10 wings. So there's 11 here now. She took one. I'm crying, you guys.
I'm gonna dip it in ranch.
That's cheating.
So. Pretty spicy. I have to say though that this was spicier.
Yeah. These are. Who's tried the Blazin hot wings at Buffalo Wild Wings? They're nothing compared to that.
Like nothing.
At least to me, I don't know. I may be wrong, but. Oh man, that. Whew.
You see, I was able to finish it. I took 2 of these in.
One more?
It wasn't doable, but. So you gotta finish all of them?
My brother, Daniel, said 10, so. Sorry, man, I might not do it. I'll try. 1. 2 down.
Go Jesse, go Jesse, go Jesse.
That was what, 3?
I'm still super spiced up. I don't know how he's keeping like I'm doing this. I don't know. I'm like dying right now.
4. 4.
I have to say, I should have just done skydiving.
Yeah. That is not quick.
I'm wondering how long it's gonna take for it to go away.
It still hurts?
It's still burning.
Haha.
And keep in mind, I already drank milk, almost all of my water, 3 scoops of ice cream, and it's still burning. I'm just saying to eat more, it's just feel it.
I tap out. I can't. 4.
Go count mine, I help with 1. Still burning. And now I can feel my stomach burning. And keep in mind I didn't even finish it. So I can just imagine how Jesse feels right now. 100 times worse than me.
Wow.
My stomach's burning, okay? Woo! Burning.
Once again, giveaway, 2 of them, 2 winners.
Don't recommend it. Unless you can handle it. You're gonna overachieve it like Jesse.
If you guys want to try it out, if you guys want to win, all you guys do, down below, enter me.
And you'll be dying just like us.
1 week to enter. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I just know what type of videos you guys are trying to see next. Please, don't have it related to spicy food. No, please no.
Go away.
What do you think is spicier, that chip? Or this?
The chip.
The chip was way more?
Yeah. It hurts bad, but the chip got me sweaty and I felt like I was gonna pass out.
Well, there you have it. You want to go to the extreme, do the chip challenge.
We finished 4, sorry. Finished the noodles. And this is what she did.
What I did finish was the water, the milk, and the ice cream.
Thumbs up to that, you guys. I'm gonna go blow my nose. Peace.